Exercise number 12 in the Taiso exercise routine, you've done it. It's get the blood flowing. So, cue, exact same video as the one you watched before, or skip it because you already know how to do it, don't you? Exercise number 12 is get the blood flowing again. So the heels of the feet are pointing out. We come up, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. Because heaven forbid that once we've started the process, it starts to settle. We want that blood flowing all day. We want the energy all day. So this exercise is a repetition.